This projector is so close. It's unreal. Epson PowerLite 770F review and why it's a game changer. Ever been mid-presentation or deep in a lesson and bam, your trusty tech bails on you? Maybe it's grainy slides, bulb burnouts at the worst time, or cables that never seem to cooperate. You're left squinting, stalling, and silently cursing your setup. That's hours lost, momentum gone, and attention drifting. If you've ever wrestled with unreliable projectors that make you work twice as hard for half the impact, you know the frustration. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. Possible, but painfully slow and wildly inefficient. Now stack on those creeping deadlines, jam-packed schedules, and a to-do list that laughs at your lunch breaks. You're juggling lesson plans or boardroom strategies, and your tech is just not keeping up. Stress climbs, burnout lurks, and every minute fiddling with equipment is a missed chance to inspire, persuade, or close the deal. That sinking feeling when the screen flickers mid-pitch? Brutal. When your tools trip you up instead of carrying you forward, the weight of missed opportunities and lost confidence hits hard, and it's time to say enough. Enter the Epson PowerLite 770F Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD projector. The no-drama, all-action upgrade your workspace has been craving. This beauty brings 4,100 lumens of pure brightness, razor-sharp full HD resolution, and rich 3 LCD color that pops even in daylight. Mount it just inches from the wall and get a screen up to 150-inch. No shadows, no glare. The laser light source? Maintenance-free for up to 20,000 hours, meaning no lamp swaps, ever. Split screen up to 4 sources, cast wirelessly from up to 50 devices, and toggle ultra-wide 21:9 for immersive visuals. Wake on Sync fires it up instantly, and it's versatile enough to use on existing whiteboards. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Imagine your lessons sharper, your meetings more engaging, your collaborations seamless. That's what users are raving about. Teachers praising the shadow-free design, IT admins loving the easy remote management, and trainers swearing by its vibrant, fatigue-free colors. The Epson PowerLite 770F doesn't just project, it commands attention. With its ultra-short throw lens for 1,100 lumens, 2,500,000 to 1 contrast ratio, and wireless casting for up to 50 devices, it's built for peak performance. Split screen makes comparisons a breeze, while 3 LCD tech ensures lifelike accuracy without the dreaded rainbow effect. Users say it's bright enough to cut through sunlight, and so simple, it feels like cheating. Ready to see why it's becoming the gold standard for classrooms and boardrooms alike? Tap in, because once you see it in action, you won't settle for less. This is your shot, literally, to level up. The Epson PowerLite 770F is in high demand, and stock won't last. Act now. Secure yours today, and join thousands already transforming their work with this powerhouse. Don't let another week slip by wrestling with outdated gear. Own your space. Own your message. Limited supply. No lamps to replace. No shadows. No stress. Just vibrant, massive images that always deliver. Click Buy now and claim your edge before someone else takes your spot. Your next big win starts here.